All right, so we are live. So, this morning started off really nice. Thought I wrapped up everything for subscriptions, and then Mark just gave me so much to do. Like mind-breaking work.
My work is also paralleled in its increase.
Yeah, but it's better when it's your work and you don't pull me in. But yeah, this morning was good. I finished up all those course revamps that Evan did for the main and target topics on the iOS platform, and they look really awesome. I started connecting the subscription type to both the Mac app and iOS app, so they're reading like student type and everything. And I'm probably going to create an endpoint for the detail page, and we'll just make the user wait for it to update, so it'll constantly update live with the API if you update your subscription or whatever happens. And yeah, that's what I've been doing, and now I'm just trying to finish up the API stuff for subscriptions so that can be done hopefully by the end of tonight. All right, Mark, your turn.
Good day, good productive day. I ran a bunch of tests on the different subscriptions. When you're changing plans, what happens if you change from this plan to this plan, verified payments, verified plan changes, etc. And we discovered we have to better handle some things such as showing confirmation dialogues. When you switch this plan, you'll immediately be charged this amount, or you'll be credited this amount, etc., etc., etc. So we had to handle all those cases, building that out now. I've also got aside from that pop-up, Evan, for the confirmation, and also a few little things in the account page that I'm waiting on Jacob for. The app is it's so close to being done. The login screen is done. The account page is nearly done. The membership page, you can switch plans. That's all done. The courses page of the course. So literally all I have left to do is implement Stripe's update feature where you can update your card, and then pass that on to Jacob, and then also the dialogues, which will take some time, but it's getting really, really close for us to be able to throw it on develop and actually have you go in and do some crazy testing. And
awesome.
Man, maybe I'll just work on this into the night and just get it done. Right, Jacob?
I'm going to get it done tonight because I'm not going to be around tomorrow night. So.
Man,
that's
all your vacations and all of Evan's vacations and Jason's and Johnny's and Hector's vacations, and I don't do vacations. We're just coding.
Jason's vacations.
Yeah, Jason
going to the hospital.
Jason always on Clash Royale every day for 6 hours.
Yeah, right. I deleted the game again.
What do you mean you deleted it again?
I keep getting too angry and I start punching things.
Oh boy.
Because I've never played a game that has made me rage before. Like, I get ridiculously angry playing that game.
Supercell partner with anger management.
Yeah, no kidding. We need some therapy on board for Jason.
There you go.
That's awesome work, Mark. It's really exciting.
Mark.
I'm done.
Cool. Hector.
Hey, I'm wrapped up the models that I was working on. Gonna move on to the next ones and start recording a little bit. Other than that, that's what I got.
All right, cool,
nice.
Man, cool. Gianni B.
Some Udemy questions, and then just lots and lots of editing and recording. I'm up to lesson 29 on the chat app. Something like, we're approaching 10 hours just on the chat app. So it's a big one, and it's coming along real good, and should be done with the whole course before I have to leave next Tuesday.
It's awesome.
Sweet, man.
Good work, Johnny. Evan, I'm curious. Well, we can talk about this offline, but I'm curious in the notion of of doing I can't think of, my brain's not working. But basically, Johnny's course is pretty big, and there might be opportunities for generating more sales, excitement, and hype by releasing it in segments or portions, you know, versus, you know, launching a 20-hour course, you know, maybe launching the first course in the series, and then, you know, a few weeks to a month later launching the next one, drawing anticipation, getting excitement for it, making it more digestible. There is some method to the madness there, but something we should probably talk about.
That would work well for me too, since you know, there's definitely aspects of the Mac development world that I haven't been able to hit on in just these 2 apps. That will be ready by, you know, next week, so we could keep adding some more stuff that covers more of the Mac development stuff.
Yeah, no, I agree, Mark. Let's talk offline. I have a couple things I wanted to run by you as far as what we were talking about earlier with just the material and how we're going to get it and what we're going to focus on, and that kind of falls in line with that. So I'll call you after this. Great work.
Sweet, man. Jason.
What up? Built the confirmation, the subscription confirmation modal today, and then knocking out more of Evan's cards and just the UI stuff. I mean, kind of the same old thing. Just getting closer is all.
Good work, man. Jack Attack.
Man, I am so close to having a working video player in Xamarin that I can taste it. I've got the code. I'm running some crazy XAML namespace issues, and I'm trying to sort those out. And I'm going to hang in there and try to have this video, at least have a video playing here in the next hour.
Awesome.
Sweet, man.
Dope.
Anyway, I don't know. I'm finding myself back to Windows and that C# environment, but I didn't write a whole lot of XAML or WPF back when I did Windows development. I did more like the native forms development. So the whole XAML things, you know, I've messed around with it a little bit, but it takes a little getting used to. So, but we'll get there.
Good
Nice,
job.
man.
Good stuff.
Evan, that's you.
What's up, guys? Today was a big catch-up day for me. Did a bunch
Wait, why
of...
did you have to catch up, Evan? What?
Guys,
What?
Fries will that catch up?
no, because Contra would probably believe I was not sitting on a beach drinking all day, but but I was away for the past 4 or 5 days, so I apologize. But I did a bunch of marketing graphics. I needed to catch up on peer reviewing Johnny's excellent videos with his beautiful analogies that I will keep saying till the day I die. I did a good probably like 8 so far. I'm gonna try to catch up to all of them tonight. If not, it'll probably be tomorrow. Finish the designs for the Realm app. Had a good call with Caleb in his transition to come back to the States, basically trying to knock out some deadlines. I know he's got a lot going on, and then what we anticipate he's going to be working on when he's full-time, which is really exciting. Did some website design stuff, some emails, and then for everybody watching or listening, we have an AMA or Ask Me Anything with Jason on Saturday at 4 Pacific. So basically the way it's going to work is if you were tuning in last time, you can ask anything you want about web development. It's going to be hosted by Jason and Jake. And then the last...
AMA is anything, Evan. It's anything.
And well, no, so yeah, so anything with that, and then anything in general, like I'll be on with Mark, hopefully, and you can ask anything about the platform to what kind of pants we're wearing to anything. All right, that's all I got.
Right.
Jason doesn't wear pants.
Evan, I'm excited to see you on camera again. I feel like you just abandoned me and Jacob, and left us with the Sharks. And
It's true.
I would never leave you with the Sharks. At the most, I'd leave you a floaty and then be back in 5 days.
I don't know if the Sharks.
But yeah, I'm here.
All right, cool.
oh, Evan, one more thing, Evan. After doing all this work on Stripe, we need to make a course on Stripe, integrating Stripe, and I think we need to assign that to Jacob.
I think I might say no. Go on vacation.
I think we should give Jacob a couple of days to wrap us to unwind the Stripe before we throw it back on him like that. But that's definitely a good idea.
That's on my list. All right, cool. Actually, you know what? We'd have to have Johnny integrate it in the Mac course because you couldn't submit an iOS app with Stripe anyways.
No, it would be web development.
Oh yeah, I guess that would work. So that has to be on Jason's plate.
All right,
No,
everybody.
you're doing all the API development. You can do it.
Ooh.
Yeah. Well, you have to have the API, so Jacob would be involved no matter what.
Can we just have a magic API that just works and handles everything? How you half implement Stripe. All right. I'm going to stop broadcasting.
Any YouTube questions? No?
No. The student programmer says your new name is Hustle Mark.
That's right. Gary V, right here. Hustle.
Very cool.
Can't believe
guys.
Jake didn't even say hello on the YouTube channel. What's going on?
Yeah, Cade didn't say hi. Nobody said hi. Jake didn't say hi.
Oh yeah, Jake said he was gonna be away.
It's a bunch of haters. Cade, hater.
Yeah, I tell you. All right, I'm stopping the broadcast. See you guys.
All right.